Do you own a brand new C8 Corvette? If you're like me, you've been looking forward to this forever. This is the first C8 Corvette that's a mid-engine. I chose the Coupe because I wanted to see the engine. My name is Joseph from ACS Composite, and today I'm showing you our engine appearance options for the brand new C8. We're moving on to our fourth engine appearance upgrade, and this is an X-brace for the engine compartment. What this does, it triangularizes the engine compartment, enhancing its stiffness and obviously giving you something really pretty to look through the glass itself. The X-brace itself is manufactured in pre-preg carbon fiber. It has the C8 Jake logo in the center, clear coated right over it. You have your stainless or metal bushings at the extremity, basically to transfer all the forces. So it's a really heavy duty part, very impressive. Comes with new fasteners, so we'll be taking out the 4 T40s. And one of the cool details I noticed is there's a Corvette logo on the bolt itself. So I got 4 in the kit, 2 of them have it, 2 don't. So I'll be putting the Corvette logos up top so I could still see them. Installation is very simple. I'm removing 2 T40 bolts, the rearmost of the engine appearance, and the one near the glass. So break them loose. Since we're reinstalling new bolts, I won't be needing these, but I will be saving them. We'll notice the new bolts are longer to compensate for the bushing in the X-brace. There's a washer supplied with the bolt. And starting all my fasteners. And I'm making sure to put my Corvette logoed bolts towards the rear of the car. The bolts themselves are a female Torx, and I don't have my female Torx kit with me. So I'm actually just using a 5/16 12-point socket. It's doing the trick. As I tighten it, I'm centering the bushing with the bolt. On this side too, I'm recentering it so that everything is coaxial. I'm slowly tightening the 4. This completes our 4-segment series for the engine appearance upgrades. We've done our red engine cover, our triangular side panel kit, our complete engine overlay side panel, and the X-brace in the center. So obviously, definitely a show going with a lot more function with the X-brace. So not only is it easier to maintain, I think also looks phenomenal. So really something to be proud of when you're opening up your engine compartment to show it off. For now, this completes this install session. We have a lot more coming in the next couple of months, so please do subscribe, follow us, and share what you'd like to see.